Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss how to check important information about your OnePlus mobile phone. First, open the phone app and dial star number 06 number to view your IMEI and serial number. Then open the Play Store and install the OnePlus Care app, or open it if it's already installed. This app lets you check your device warranty, service options, and diagnostic details. After installing, open the app and log in using your email ID and phone number to access all available tools and information. You can also open the calculator and enter the special code star number sign 4636 star number sign to access the testing or diagnostic mode, where you'll find details about your phone's status, network, and performance. Additionally, you can go to settings, arrow about device arrow status to view details such as your model number, Android version, and security information. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it helps you easily check and verify your OnePlus device information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.